room to spread out and have your horses on this 9.8-acre off-water homesite in Northshore Estates on Richland Chambers Lake. Scattered trees, level building site and corner lot located just a short half-mile from the Northshore Estates community boat ramp and dock. Horses allowed at 2 per 5 acres. Northshore Estates is deed restricted to site-built homes of 1,600 living space and offers a boat ramp to its property owners. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903-874-0001. That's 903-874-0001.